Hey everyone, welcome back to Delta Edge. Listen, are you tired of penny pinching returns? Are you ready to double your money? Today we're diving headfirst into four stocks, four rocket ships that are primed and ready to blast off to double in value. These aren't just any stocks, folks. These are the kinds of opportunities that can change your life. And stick around till the end, because I've got a special surprise for you, something worth a cool rupees 21,000. Let's get started. First up, we're talking Orient Ceratec Limited, ticker symbol OrientCer. This stock, my friends, has been on a tear. It's been making waves in the market, catching the attention of savvy investors everywhere. We're talking a significant 2.39% jump, which is no small feat in today's volatile market. Currently trading at 48 rupees and 38 paise with a volume of 50,535, this stock is showing some serious momentum. Now, you might be thinking, ceramics, Jim? Really? Is this the next big thing? But let me tell you, this isn't your grandma's tea set. This is high-tech, cutting-edge ceramics technology. Orient Ceratec is at the forefront of innovation in the ceramics sector, pushing boundaries and setting new standards. Demand is exploding for their products, and their growth has been nothing short of phenomenal. The market is hungry for what they have to offer. Now, let's take a look at the charts, because the charts don't lie. They tell the real story behind the numbers. We're looking at the trading view chart here, and what do we see? A clear upward trajectory. We see a stock that's been on a steady climb, showing resilience and strength in the market. Look at those support levels, strong as an ox. They provide a solid foundation for future growth. And the resistance levels, they're being shattered like cheap china. This stock is breaking through barriers. This stock is breaking through, folks, and it's time to get on board. But wait, there's more. The story doesn't end here. Let's switch gears and take a look at the point and figure chart. This chart gives us another perspective. Boom! A beautiful, bullish pattern emerges right before our eyes. This is a strong indicator of future performance. This isn't just a blip on the radar, people. This is a sign of things to come. The future looks bright. This pattern is screaming, buy, and I'm not one to argue with a screaming chart. The signals are clear. And if the technicals weren't enough to convince you, let's talk fundamentals. The numbers behind the scenes are just as impressive. Orient Ceratec has a rock-solid balance sheet. Their financials are pristine, showing strong financial health. Their management team is top-notch, with a proven track record of success and innovation. And their future is brighter than a freshly glazed ceramic tile. The potential here is enormous. This stock, my friends, could be a game changer. It's poised to make significant strides in the market. Don't say I didn't warn you. This is one opportunity you don't want to miss. Next up, we're digging into the fertile fields of Agrophos India Limited, ticker symbol Agrophos. This stock is trading at a juicy 43 rupees and 47 paise with a volume of 56,602. And it's already up a healthy 1.76% today. Now, Agrophos isn't just some fly-by-night operation. They're a major player in the agricultural chemical sector, a sector that's absolutely vital to India's booming agrarian economy. But enough talk. Let's get down to brass tacks and look at the chart. What are we seeing here? We're seeing a stock that's been quietly building momentum, like a farmer carefully tending his crops. But don't let that fool you, folks. This stock is about to burst out of its shell. Look at those bullish indicators, flashing like a tractor beam. This is a stock that's ready to take off. And speaking of taking off, check out that breakout point. It's right there, folks, just on the horizon. Once this stock breaks through that resistance level, it's going to be off to the races. Get ready to ride this wave of profits all the way to the bank. But let's not forget about the fundamentals, because Agrophos has those in spades. Their profits are soaring higher than a crop duster, their market reach is expanding faster than a field of sunflowers, and their management team is as sharp as a plow. This is a stock that's built for long-term growth, the kind of growth that can turn a small investment into a life-changing fortune. Chapter 3. Tara Chand Logistics Solutions Limited, delivering market domination. Now, let's shift gears and talk about a company that's delivering the goods, both literally and figuratively. This company is revolutionizing the logistics industry with its innovative solutions and unparalleled service. I'm talking about Tara Chand Logistics Solutions Limited, ticker symbol Tara Chand. This company has been making waves in the market, and for all the right reasons. This stock is absolutely on fire, folks, surging by a whopping 9.99% to trade at 404 rupees and 15 paise with a volume of 58,489. Such a significant rise is a testament to the company's robust performance and investor confidence. And why is Tara Chand doing so well? What sets them apart in this competitive market? Because they're in the logistics game, baby, and the logistics sector is hotter than a delivery truck in July. Their efficiency and reliability are unmatched, making them a preferred choice for businesses and consumers alike. But don't just take my word for it, let's consult the charts. The numbers speak for themselves. Look at this thing, a textbook example of a bullish trend. The stock has been consistently climbing, showing strong upward momentum. The trend lines are pointing straight up, like a rocket heading for the stars. And the volume? It's a clear indicator of the stock's potential. The volume is exploding, folks, indicating massive investor interest. This kind of activity is a clear sign that the market believes in Tara Chand's growth story. This is a stock that everyone wants a piece of, and for good reason. The buzz around Tara Chand is palpable, and it's not just hype. And when we look at the fundamentals, the story only gets better. The company's financial health is solid, with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Tara Chand is raking in the dough. Their revenues are skyrocketing, and they're expanding their market share faster than you can say delivery confirmation. Their strategic expansions and acquisitions are paying off big time. This is a company that's firing on all cylinders, and their stock price is reflecting that success. The management's vision and execution are driving this stellar performance. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Jim, this stock sounds too good to be true. It's natural to be skeptical, but the facts are hard to ignore. But let me tell you, sometimes the best opportunities are the ones that seem too good to be true. Tara Chand's track record and future prospects make it a compelling investment. Tara Chand is the real deal, folks, and this is your chance to get in on the ground floor of something truly special. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be part of a success story in the making. Chapter 4: Indo Borax and Chemicals Limited. Reacting to explosive growth. Last but certainly not least, we're talking about a company that's about to blow the lid off the market. This is a story of explosive growth and incredible potential. I'm talking about Indo Borax and Chemicals Limited, ticker symbol Indo Borax. This stock is up a solid 5.52%, trading at 185 rupees and 55 paise with a volume of 59,855. And let me tell you, this is just the beginning. The momentum is building and the excitement is palpable. Indo Borax is a powerhouse in the chemicals industry, a sector that's essential for countless industrial applications. From manufacturing to pharmaceuticals, their products are indispensable. But enough about the boring stuff, let's get to the good part, the charts. This is where the magic happens, where numbers tell a story of growth and opportunity. Feast your eyes on this beauty. The charts are showing a clear and undeniable trend. The point and figure chart is painting a very clear picture, folks. And that picture is bullish, bullish, bullish. It's like a roadmap to success. We're talking a clear upward trend with a breakout signal that's brighter than a neon sign. This is the kind of signal that investors dream about. This stock is about to go parabolic. The trajectory is set and the sky is the limit. And when we delve into the fundamentals, the story only gets more compelling. The numbers back up the hype. Indo Borax is a profit-generating machine. Their earnings reports are consistently strong, showing robust growth and profitability. Their earnings are through the roof. Their market presence is expanding like wildfire, and their management team is as sharp as a tack. They have a clear vision and a solid strategy. This is a company that's firing on all cylinders, and their stock price is about to reflect that success. The market is starting to take notice. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Jim, this all sounds too good to be true. It's natural to be skeptical, but sometimes the numbers don't lie. But let me tell you, sometimes the best opportunities are the ones that seem too good to be true. This is one of those rare moments. Indoborax is the real deal, folks, and this is your chance to get in on the ground floor of something truly special. Don't miss out on this explosive opportunity. Outro. Don't miss out. Remember, if you've watched this far, you're eligible for a special surprise worth Rs 21,000. That's right, you heard me correctly. Just subscribe to the channel, take a screenshot, and send it to me on WhatsApp at 911-3211-787, and you'll receive not one, not two, but 5 financial calculators absolutely free. These calculators are top of the line, folks, the kind of tools that can help you make smarter investment decisions. But wait, there's more. You'll also get access to my exclusive How to Automate Trades course, usually priced at Rs 7,000 for the ridiculously low price of Rs 99. This course will teach you everything you need to know about automating your trades, so you can make money while you sleep. Check the link in the description for more details. So, there you have it. 4 stocks that are set to double in value. Remember, folks, I'm just giving you the ideas. You've got to do your own research, kick the tires, and make sure these stocks fit your portfolio. But trust me, these are gems, and they're ripe for the picking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my future stock picks. And be sure to comment below and let me know which stock you're most excited about and why. See you in the next video.